Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. It's Sunday, 8 in the morning. That's right. Well, somebody in one of my Craigslist ads responded and said, "Hey, I'm throwing out a lawn tractor. I think it's a Toro Wheelhorse, old style. You know, the rear engine one." Anyway, he says I'm throwing it out. I said, "Hey, don't throw it out. I'll come get it." So I'm near the place, and it's a nice area. Looks like a rich area. So. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm not going to ask, I just said...
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Featherbed Lane.
So anyway, we'll see what it looks like. So what turned out to be a free riding mower pick, right? Turns out to be Motherload 8. So along with this Toro rear engine rider, which the guy says that the only thing wrong with it was it wouldn't start all of a sudden one day. And of course, he took it to a place to have it looked over, and the guys wanted to charge him like $800 to fix everything, which of course he's not going to do. So he's going to throw it out. And he gave me a ring and said, "Hey, come get it." And I'm like, "Absolutely, man." So I think this might just need a carburetor clean and a battery. I'll find out later. Along with the deal, he just said, "You know what? I don't need this." And honestly, I really don't need that either, especially it's electric. It's a, one of those pole tree chainsaws, electric. He also gave me the, this power washer, which he says the pump is busted, which is probably, most power washers, the problem is the pump, because they leave water in it, whatever, and it rusts. But I'll keep the engine, that'll be good for me someday. I know I'll use it for something. But anyway, man, cool beans. Motherload 8, free. I also forgot to mention, gave me a chainsaw too. It's a Mac chainsaw. He says it doesn't start. Hasn't started in a while. He didn't want it. I'll take it, even though I hate working on these little small things, but whatever, man. Free. Chainsaw, power washer, riding mower, and tree chainsaw on a pole. All free.